to understand what you can be the best in the world at, not what you want to be the best in the world at. If you cannot be the best in the world at your core business, then it's very difficult to make it a really big success. You see, being the best in the world is much more than just a core competency. You might have a competency at something, but not necessarily the capacity to be the greatest, to be the best. Conversely, there may be activities that you could become the best at, but for which you have no current competency. So the key here to understand is that if you cannot be the best at it, you will never feel like you're winning. You will never dominate the marketplace. Your customers will never stick around. Now, take the example of 2000 books. I genuinely believe that we can be the best at deconstructing books and making them easy to understand, and also getting you to take action on the ideas that are in the books. Why? Because I have personally read over 1,500 business and self-help books, and very few people in the world have read that many books, so they cannot make those connections between those ideas or simplify at the level that we can, or give you the perspective that I can. I'm not trying to brag. I genuinely believe in what we do, and as a former physicist and a computer engineer, I'm a very logical and a visual thinker, and I feel that we have created a culture of systematic thinking, systematically breaking down books and making them visual, making them really easy to understand and take action on. Not only that, we don't think of book summaries as something that is done in ivory towers. We relate the knowledge from the books that we read to how we're building 2000 books, how we apply it in our lives. And that makes our summaries more relatable, more real, and way more fun.